Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. I am Kirti, your English educator from David Academy. Today we will do another topic from parts of speech, that is adjective. Let's begin with today's topic. What are adjectives? Let's understand that. Adjectives क्या होते हैं? ठीक है, they describe a noun. वो noun के बारे में हमें बताते हैं. What the noun looks like, what is the color of a noun, what is the size of a noun, what is the quantity. So all these words that are used to describe a noun, they are called adjectives. For example, how many, several, few, three. If I am holding a one pen in my hand, so the number one, pen. So before pen I am using one pen. So one is my adjective. What color? So like this pen is of black color. So black is my adjective. Similarly other colors like red, blue, dull, light. Then comes the size. If you see a box in front of you, or if you can see a notebook in front of you, you can tell the size of the notebook, or you can tell the size of the box. So that word that is used to tell the size of the box or size of a book or size of a pen, that word is called adjective. For example, skinny, fat, tiny, large, mini, huge, short, tall. So if a tall boy, so what is the word tall? Tall is adjective. Short girl, what is the word short? Short is adjective. Then how it behaves. How it behaves. Silly, kind, caring, funny. How it looks. कोई चीज कैसी दिखती है? So she looks pretty. Pretty girl. Ugly looking boy. So pretty, ugly, dirty, dirty clothes. So what is the word dirty here? Dirty is an adjective which describe the noun clothes. How it feels soft, rough. So when you touch clothes, so you can tell the texture. Oh, it's a soft cloth. Rough. So that texture is also called noun. Sorry, that texture is also called adjective. How it sounds, quiet, noisy, loud, calm. So these are the few words that we use to describe adjectives. So let's further understand what are adjectives and what are our types of adjectives. Adjectives are words that describe or modify nouns. वो किसके बारे में हमें बताते हैं? नाउन्स के बारे में बताते हैं कि नाउन कैसा दिख रहा है, उसका डिस्क्रिप्शन देते हैं. व्हेन यू गिव ए कंप्लीट डिस्क्रिप्शन दैट व्हाट इज द साइज, व्हाट इज द कलर, व्हाट इज द एज, व्हाट इज द नंबर. सो ऑल दीज वर्ड्स व्हिच डिस्क्राइब अ नाउन, दोज वर्ड्स आर कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव्स. By giving some information about their quality, color, size, shape, age, origin, position, material, etc. So these are the things that are highlighted in adjectives. Descriptive adjectives describe a noun. जब हम types की बात करते हैं, the first type is called descriptive adjective. As the word says descriptive, so it describes that how the noun looks like. What are the qualities of noun? If there are no qualities, if there are there are few bad things that you have to tell about noun, so that will be also considered as adjectives only. Example, Jenny drives a black Porsche. So what is black here? That is your color. It describes the car. What car it is. What is the color of the car? Color of the car is black. So if you have a blue color car, so you will say, I drive a blue car. So what is blue here? Blue is your adjective which describe the car, which describe the noun car. Identifying adjectives indicate which thing is being referred to. When you are able to identify the adjective, जब आप identify कर लेते हैं adjective को कि ये मेरा adjective है, you also get to know that which noun it is referring to. कि ये किस noun के बारे में मुझे बता रहा है. Example, we have never been to that store. So what is the store here? Store is your noun, and what is that here? That is your adjective. But this is your demonstrative adjective. So like I said, we will also discuss type of adjective. So that is your demonstrative adjective which describes the noun store. Quantitative adjectives, quantitative adjectives quantify a noun. ये हमें noun की quantity बताते हैं. Like if I'm holding a one pen in my hand, so one is the quantity of this noun pen. If I'm holding 4-5 pens, so I will say I'm holding 5 pens in my hand. So what is the 5 here? 5 is a noun. This 5 is an adjective which describes noun pens, right? Quantitative adjectives quantify a noun. For example, I have 3 brothers and 2 sisters. So it tells how many brothers and how many sisters. 3 brothers and 2 sisters. So it is referring to noun brothers. So this is your noun. 2, it is referring to noun sister. Okay. So it tells about the noun only. Adjective हमें noun के बारे में ही बताते हैं कि noun दिखते कैसे हैं या उसकी कितनी क्वांटिटी है, कितनी क्वांटिटी है, क्या क्वालिटी है, क्या साइज है, शेप है, टेक्सचर है, अपीयरेंस है. It describes a noun only. Moving on. Observe how the underlined adjectives add information on their noun. So when we use adjectives, so they also describe noun. So they add meaning to noun. So how they add meaning to noun? Let's understand this. Margot wore a beautiful hat. So what is the noun? It is referring to the noun hat. और hat दिखने में कैसी थी? It was a beautiful hat. So if you will just say Margot wore a hat, so you don't get to know कि उसकी hat कैसी थी. वो दिखने में सुंदर थी या उसकी hat जो दिखने में ugly hat थी, or it was just a normal hat which you did not like. So by adding an adjective, it adds meaning to a noun. It adds meaning to the description of a noun. So Margot wore a beautiful hat to the pie eating contest. Moving on to the next one. So furry dogs may overheat in the summer time. So what kind of dogs we are talking about? We are talking about furry dogs. Next sentence, my cake should have 16 candles. So if you turn 12, if you turn 13, 15 or 16, so you won't that many candles on your cake. So that tells the age as well as it under the category of your quantity adjective. So that is the quantity also. So how many candles you need? 16 candles. So 16 is your adjective while it describes the noun candles. The scariest villain of all time is Darth Vader. So we are talking about the scariest villain, सबसे खतरनाक दिखने वाला villain अभी तक का. So what is villain here? Villain is your noun, and what type of a villain? Scariest. That means that scare you the most. So this tells the quality of the villain, that he was the scariest villain of all time. Right? Moving on to next one. Now let's understand very important concept of adjective. What are attributive and predicative adjectives? So when we say that we use adjectives to describe noun, it does not mean that they will always come before a noun. They can come afterward also. For example, that is a happy dog and that dog seems happy. See the first sentence. So that is a happy dog. So I know my noun is given over here. So dog is noun here. And what is the adjective? How the dog looks? Dog looks happy. It is a happy dog. Okay, you like meeting that dog. But when I say the dog seems happy, still I am telling about the noun only. Which noun? I am telling about the noun dog. Who seems what and how it seems? It seems happy. So this is my adjective. So this is attributive case while this is predicative case. Let's understand with the second example. She has bright future. Okay, so what is future here? Future is a noun. उसका future कैसा है? She got a very bright future because she is good in studies. So what is bright here? Bright is adjective. But I can write in another way also. For example, हर फ्यूचर इज ब्राइट, हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं, उसके फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं. सो वी आर रेफरिंग टू हर फ्यूचर ओनली. सो अगेन हियर इज द फ्यूचर and this is your adjective bright. So if not necessary it often come after the linking verb. Predicative case में हमारे adjective जो है वो linking verb के बाद आते हैं. जैसे कि linking verb इधर given है seems. Here linking verb is given is. That is your linking verb. So in predicative case हमारे adjective जो है वो linking verb के बाद भी आते हैं. So just make sure that you keep this point in mind that now that adjectives they will not only come before noun, they also come after noun also, they come after the linking verb also. He gave me a tedious task. कैसा task दिया उसने मुझे, बड़ा ही मुश्किल task दिया. He gave me a tedious task. So what is the task here? Task is the noun and what kind of task? So it was a tedious. So tedious is my adjective. I can write in another way also. The task he gave me is tedious. So is the linking verb. The task he gave me is tedious. So task is the बात किसकी हो रही है, task की ही बात हो रही है, ठीक है. But here the adjective is coming after the linking verb. Okay, it is coming after the linking verb. I watched a hilarious drama. कैसा ड्रामा देखा मैंने, बहुत ही मजेदार, जिसने बहुत हंसाया मुझे. I watched a hilarious drama. So drama here is a noun, while hilarious is my adjective. All right, but I can write it other way also. The drama I watched was hilarious. जो ड्रामा मैंने देखा था वो बहुत ही ज्यादा हंसाने वाला था, बहुत ही मजाकिया था. So the drama I watched was hilarious. So I'm talking about the drama only, and the drama was what? It was hilarious. So I hope this concept is clear to you कि जो adjectives होते हैं वो हमेशा noun से पहले नहीं आते. वो adjective जो है कभी कभार हमारे linking verb के बाद भी आते हैं. So this is the concept of attributive and predicative adjective. Moving on to the next types of adjectives. So what are the kinds of adjective? A descriptive adjective. So first kind we discussed earlier also. What is a descriptive adjective? The word descriptive से describe. Adjective को describe करो कि adjective की quality क्या है, उसका size क्या है, उसका color क्या है. So that is called description. So when you describe an adjective, that kind is called descriptive adjective. A descriptive adjective names a quality of the noun or pronoun that it modifies. Words like beautiful, ugly, slim, tall, brown, big, nice, etc. are all descriptive nouns. Let's understand this with few examples. We enjoyed a peaceful afternoon. So what kind of an afternoon we enjoyed? It was a peaceful afternoon. So what is the word peaceful here? It was a peaceful is your descriptive adjective. She is such a competent cashier. कैसी cashier वो? She is not clumsy. She is very competent, efficient. So instead of competent, we can also use efficient. So these words are called descriptive adjectives. So here the word competent is adjective and that is a descriptive adjective. It describes the quality of cashier. कि cashier कैसा है या कैसी है. She is competent. She doesn't make any mistake. The silly dog rolled around in the filthy mud for hours. So the dog कैसा है वो dog? Dog is silly, crazy dog. Rolled around in the filthy mud, dirty mud. So what is filthy here? Filthy is a dirty mud for hours. So dog ने for many hours it was rolling in the mud. So these are your descriptive words. So first silly, it describes dog, while filthy it describes the noun mud. Next example, Will is my big brother. So what is big here? He is my big brother. Big is your descriptive adjective. Moving on to the next kind of adjective, determiner adjectives. सो मोस्ट ऑफ माई डिटर्मिनर, जितने भी हमारे आर्टिकल्स होते हैं या उसके अलावा हमारे जो क्वांटिटी बताते हैं क्वांटिफायर्स होते हैं, सो दे आर डिटर्मिनर्स एंड दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड डिटर्मिनर एडजेक्टिव्स. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस. डिटर्मिनर्स सच एज आर्टिकल्स, ठीक है, जब हम किसी चीज की क्वांटिटी बताते हैं, व्हेन वी से आई हैव ईटन एन एप्पल, तो मैंने कितने एप्पल खाए. इफ आई से एन एप्पल, सो दैट टेल्स आई हैव ईटन ओनली वन एप्पल. ठीक है. देयर इज ए बॉय स्टैंडिंग आउटसाइड, तो कितने बॉयज खड़े हैं बाहर, एक खड़ा है, बहुत सारे बॉयज खड़े हैं. सो वी यूज ए फॉर टू टेल दैट द क्वांटिटी इज ओनली वन. ए एंड एन इज यूज्ड टू टेल द क्वांटिटी ऑफ नाउन. So A and N is your articles which are also your determiner adjectives. Then determiner determiners such as articles, pronouns and numbers can function as adjectives. When a determiner is used as an adjective, it restricts the noun it modifies. ठीक है, वो restrict कर देता है. जैसे कि मैं example देती हूँ. So example is Sam has many cats. उसके पास बहुत सारी कैट्स हैं, बट इट डजंट डिस्क्राइब द नाउन कैट्स. कैट्स के बारे में हमें कुछ नहीं पता लग रहा कि कैट्स कैसी दिखती हैं. ठीक है, कि वो ग्रे कलर की कैट्स है उसके पास है, वाइट कलर की कैट्स है, या वो कैट्स जो वो फिरोशियस है, या वो बहुत ही फनसिली कैट्स है. कैसी कैट्स है हमें कुछ नहीं पता लग रहा. So that is what we call limiting adjectives, because we get to know only about the quantity here, कि that he has many cats, उसके पास बहुत सारी cats हैं. So here the word many is your adjective, which is called limiting adjective, because it does not describe adjective, it limits the adjective. So they are called limiting adjective. When a determiner is used as an adjective, it restricts the noun it modifies like a limiting adjective. So whether you call them determiner adjectives or you call them limiting adjectives, it's one and the same thing. Determiners functioning as adjectives tell which one, how many and whose. ठीक है, जो हमारे determiner adjectives है वो हमें क्या बताते हैं, which one, कितने सारे, ठीक है, and whose, किसको belong करते हैं. Let's understand kinds of adjectives. First is quantitative adjectives. They give the quantity of uncountable noun like much, many, some, few. Then there is your little, enough. So these are the words when we use before noun, or when we describe them, when we use before noun, or we tell the quantity of the noun. So then they are called quantitative adjectives. For example, like I just used many cats. So much time. उसके पास काफी टाइम है. So what is the word much here? Much is your quantitative adjective. Similarly, little and few. Little we use with uncountable. For example, little milk. And few we use with countables, few boys. Or you can say few students. So this is how we use quantitative adjectives before noun, which tells us the quantity of noun it referring to. Moving on to the next type, numeral adjectives. They indicate the number of countable nouns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. ठीक है, how many pens I am holding? 5 pens. How many books you have in front of you? 2 books. So these are your numeral adjectives. Then several, many, first, fourth, etc. So these are the words that are under the category of your numeral adjective. They also tell the quantity of noun it referring to. Moving on to the next kind of determiner adjective. Demonstrative adjectives. An adjective that can be used to specifically describe the position of someone or something. What are demonstrative adjectives? This, that, these and those. Now what are demonstrative adjectives? This, that, these and those. ये demonstrative adjective जो words है this, that, these and those, we have done in our previous video also. हमने pronoun की video में भी करे थे कि pronoun में आपने बताया था कि मैम demonstrative pronoun होते हैं. So what is the difference between demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative adjectives and demonstrative pronoun? जिस तरीके से पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव और पोजेसिव प्रोनाउन में डिफरेंस होता है, उसी तरीके से सेम वे वी हैव अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन डेमोस्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव एंड डेमोस्ट्रेटिव प्रोनाउन. Let's understand this concept of demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative adjectives में आपके word this, that, these और those, they come before a noun. वो noun से हमारे पहले आते, जैसे कि this chair is broken. So you're pointing out to the chair that this chair is broken. But how it is used in demonstrative pronoun? This is my chair. So you are not using chair directly over here. So you are not using it to modify a noun, right? So this is my chair. So that is here the use of this as a demonstrative pronoun. That car is expensive. So what is that here? That is your demonstrative adjective used just before the noun car. That car is expensive. That is Peter's car. These flowers. So when you say these flowers, so here the word these is your demonstrative adjective. Those boys or those children. So whenever you use before a noun, so they function as a demonstrative adjective. I hope this concept is clear to you. Moving on to the next kind of adjective. Next is possessive adjective. They show possession or indicate to whom a noun belongs. My, his, her, their, your, are. So same way we have done possessive adjective and possessive pronoun. जहाँ पे यहाँ पे हो जाएगा possessive adjective is always my plus noun. My car, his jacket, her notebook. So they are always used this way. That is your adjective plus noun. So his jacket, her notebook, their house, your class, our teacher. So this is how we use possessive adjective. They show possession or indicate to whom noun belongs. ये क्या शो करते हैं? Possession. कि ये किसकी है? Belongingness, ownership. So they are called possessive adjective. For further information about possessive adjective and possessive pronoun, you can go and watch the previous video of pronoun where we have discussed in details what are possessive adjectives and what are possessive pronouns. Next, article adjectives. Article adjectives. Articles are used to determine whether the noun being referred to is general or specific. When I say the lamp on my table, when I say the lamp on my table is new, the lamp on my table. So what is the here? It is referring to a specific lamp. And it also tells the quantity also. कि मैं एक lamp की बात करूँ because I have not written lamps. The lamp on my table is new. So here the, which is an article, is also called article adjective. Similarly, we use a and an to describe article adjective to describe noun, the quantity of the noun, like a boy, a girl, an orange, an apple. So that means you are referring to one orange, one apple, one boy and one girl. So this is how we use article adjectives, which are article also. But what is the function here? Functioning here as an adjective just before a noun. Noun से पहले जो है ये noun को refer कर रहे हैं and it tells the quantity of the noun. Also it tells whether it's general or specific. Like the lamp, so here it is specific. The we used often to specify when we have to make the thing specific. Moving on to the next kind of adjectives. proper adjectives. What are proper adjectives? Proper nouns are specific names for people, places and things. And proper adjectives are adjectives that are derived from these proper nouns. ठीक है, इनको हम कैसे मिलते हैं, हमें proper adjectives कैसे मिलते हैं, हम इनको proper nouns में से ही लेते हैं. For example, India से आपका बन जाएगा Indian. India is a proper noun, इससे आपका बन जाएगा Indian. फ्रांस से हमारा बन जाएगा प्रॉपर नाउन फ्रेंच, जैसे फ्रेंच वाइन होता है, फ्रेंच वाइन. सो व्हाट इज फ्रेंच हियर? फ्रेंच इज योर प्रॉपर नाउन derived from the French is your proper adjective derived from the proper noun France. Indian is your proper adjective derived from the proper noun India. For example, French is a proper adjective that is derived from the proper noun France. He is American and his wife is African. So both are derived from the proper noun America and Africa. तो इस टाइप के जो हमारे एडजेक्टिव्स होते हैं उनको वो हमें कैसे मिलते हैं, वो हमें प्रॉपर नाउन में से ही मिलते हैं. Indian tradition has been considered the best tradition around the world. So here word Indian is your adjective, and what kind of adjective it is? It is a proper adjective. Do you like to eat Chinese food? So what is Chinese? Chinese is also your proper adjective. So this is your proper adjective. I hope the concept of proper adjective is clear to you. Moving on to the next kind of adjective. Degree of comparison. So when we talk about degree of comparison, there are 3 degrees of comparison. हम जब compare करते हैं, there are 3 degrees that we have to keep in mind. Positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. So what is a positive degree? When there is no comparison. जब आप कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं करते हैं तब हम पॉजिटिव डिग्री यूज करते हैं. व्हेन वी यूज कंपैरिजन डिग्री, जब दो लोगों के बीच में कंपैरिजन होता है, ही इज बेटर देन यू, सो दिस इज द कंपैरिजन बिटवीन टू पीपल. और व्हाट इज द सुपरलेटिव डिग्री? जब कोई कंपैरिजन ही नहीं करे, द बेस्ट, SRK is the best hero in the Bollywood. So when there is no comparison, then that is called superlative degree. Let's understand this concept of degree of comparison. Adjectives appear in 3 forms. ठीक है, कितनी फॉर्म्स है? 3 forms to show the degree of comparison. कंपैरिजन का मतलब क्या होता है? जब आप एक चीज की तुलना दूसरी चीज के साथ कर रहे हैं, या आप कह रहे हैं कि इसकी तुलना ही नहीं हो सकती, ये बेस्ट है, या आप कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं करना चाहते. There are 3 degrees of adjective that compare one item to another. In ascending sequence, these 3 degree of adjectives reflect the strength of the adjective. वो हमें strength भी बताते हैं adjective की. For example, first is a positive degree. The basic form of adjective is a positive degree. It simply implies the presence of a quality. ठीक है, ये सिर्फ quality के बारे में बताते हैं. He is intelligent boy. जैसे आप बोल रहे हो. So when you use the word beautiful before girls, it just tells the quality of the girl कि वो कैसी दिखती है. She is a very beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. So that is your positive degree where you are not making any comparison. You are just making a normal statement, just telling the quality of the person. Comparative degree, when comparing one noun or pronoun to another, comparative degree is applied. जब अब हम इसका comparison कर देंगे, ठीक है, जैसे मैं बोलती हूँ फॉर एग्जाम्पल, सो व्हाट इज द कंपैरेटिव डिग्री? व्हेन कंपेयरिंग वन नाउन और प्रोनाउन टू अनदर. जब आप जो है उसी गर्ल को कंपेयर कर रहे हो बाकी गर्ल्स के साथ, तो हम क्या बोलेंगे? शी इज मोर ब्यूटीफुल देन अदर गर्ल्स. ठीक है, तो हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं बाकी गर्ल्स के साथ उसका, तो कंपैरिजन के लिए हम यूज करते हैं मोर. Then superlative degree, when comparing 2 or more nouns, the superlative degree is used. जब आप कह रहे हो कि वो सबसे बेस्ट है, उससे ज्यादा सुंदर है ही नहीं कोई पूरी क्लास में, देन आप क्या बोलोगे? शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल. शी इज द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल गर्ल. तो अब हम उसको कह रहे हैं कि सबसे सुंदर लड़की जो है वो है, सब में सबसे ज्यादा बेस्ट जो है, सबसे ज्यादा सुंदर जो है। तो उसी तरीके से हम यहाँ पे इंटेलिजेंट भी यूज कर सकते हैं। शी इज एन इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल, शी इज मोर इंटेलिजेंट देन अदर गर्ल्स, शी इज द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट गर्ल। और आपकी जो डिग्रीज है आप और भी एडजेक्टिव्स को यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रिटी यूज कर सकते हैं, प्रिटी, प्रिटियर, प्रिटीएस्ट। So now let's understand that how we use degree of comparison and how we form degree of comparison. हम उनको पॉजिटिव से कंपैरेटिव और सुपरलेटिव में कैसे फॉर्म करते हैं। I hope this concept of degree of comparison is clear to you. So पॉजिटिव डिग्री के लिए हम यूज करते हैं ज्यादातर as प्लस एडजेक्टिव प्लस as। कंपैरेटिव डिग्री के लिए हम क्या वर्ड यूज करते हैं, हम यूज करते हैं then is very important. It tells you that means you are making comparison between two people or there is a comparison that you want to highlight. So the use of word then is only to make comparison. Next one is superlative. उसके लिए हमेशा हमें लगाना पड़ता है साथ में the most beautiful girl, the best boy. So जब आप लगाएंगे so that highlights your superlative degree. So this become easy for you to identify that which degree of comparison you are talking about. Moving on to the next slide. So positive, comparative और superlative degree. अभी हमने समझा कि positive is just to tell about the quality of the person or if this not a quality like sad. Comparative is like when you are making comparison between two. Superlative when you are not making any comparison. You are just stating this thing, that means सब में जो बेस्ट है या सब में आउट ऑफ ऑल दैट इफ यू आर हाईलाइटिंग वन थिंग दैट इज योर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। जैसे कि हम वर्ड यूज करते हैं सुपर मीन्स सबसे ऊपर, राइट, सुपर से ऊपर। सो सुपर इज योर सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। फॉर एग्जाम्पल सैड, सैडर एंड सैडेस्ट. So if you will see that these small words, they have only one syllable. That means they have only one vowel in that. So whenever you see small words which have only one vowel, so you can change into comparative and superlative degree by adding er and est. So if in case you don't know what is the comparative degree or positive degree of a word, so comparative degree and superlative degree of a positive word, so you can make your own by adding er and est. If the word is short and it has only one syllable. Black, again one syllable is given. Black, blacker, blackest. Bright, one syllable is given. Bright, brighter, brightest. Old, older, oldest. Weak, weaker, weakest. Big, bigger, biggest. Right? I hope this is clear to you. Heavy, the words with y after the consonant. Consonant क्या हो गया आपका यहाँ पे, y आपका v हो गया और उसके बाद आपका क्या है y. So that how you have to change it into comparative and superlative. Heavy आपको सिर्फ एंड में जो है er लगाना है, IER. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Happy, happier, happiest. Ugly, y से पहले आपका क्या है consonant, ugly, uglier, ugliest. Gray, grayer, grayest. Then now this is different. Words with y after vowel. Okay, so अब पहले क्या था हमारा consonant के बाद था, अब हमारा जो है vowel के बाद y आ रहा है, तो उसमें क्या है हम IER नहीं लगाएंगे, उसमें हम खाली ER और EST लगाएंगे. So if you see this kind of a construction of a word, you can make your comparative and superlative by adding ER and EST. Gray, grayer, grayest. Coy, coyer, coyest. Much, more, most or many, more and most. So much we use with uncountable while many we use with countable. Now next is beautiful. So it has more than one syllable, right? For example E, A, I, U. So it has many syllables. So जब उसमें syllable ज़्यादा होते हैं एक से, then we often add more and most. Beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful. Let's do this exercise on the basis of kinds of adjectives we have done just now. Let's see how many correct answers you get here. First example, the weather today is sunny than yesterday. अब मैंने आपको बताया था कि word then है अगर कहीं पे आपको देन दिखाई दे रहा है तो आपको क्या करना है, उसमें कंपैरेटिव डिग्री लगानी है। तो यहाँ पे सनी का क्या हो जाएगा, आपने देखा कि वाई है और वाई से पहले क्या है, इधर हमारे पास कॉन्सोनेंट लगा हुआ है, तो हमें क्या लगाना है, IER। तो ये हो जाएगा द वेदर टुडे इज sunnier than yesterday. Next, Mount Everest is the dash mountain in the world. ठीक है, आपको मैंने बताया था कि जहां पे आपको दा दिखे आपको क्या लगानी है, सुपरलेटिव डिग्री। तो टॉल का क्या हो जाएगा, वन सेलेबल है सिर्फ, तो इसका हो जाएगा टॉलेस्ट। Mount Everest is the tallest mountain in the world. Try doing third one and see whether you get the correct answer or not. This book is interesting than the last one I read. क्या दिखा हमें इसमें, then किस में लगाते हैं हम अपनी comparative degree में। कितने syllable है, it's not a small word, it's a big word which has many syllable in it। तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, the book is more interesting than the last one I read. नेक्स्ट वन, माई ब्रदर इज डैश देन मी, कंपैरेटिव डिग्री है, ठीक है। तो स्ट्रॉन्ग का क्या हो जाएगा इधर, माई ब्रदर इज स्ट्रॉन्गर, माई ब्रदर इज स्ट्रॉन्गर देन मी। और अगर हम सारे भाइयों में सबसे ज्यादा उसमें ताकत है तो हम क्या बोलते हैं, माई ब्रदर इज द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट, ठीक है। हम सब में सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट वो है। The chocolate cake is the dash dessert on the menu. Superlative degree लगाना है क्योंकि यहाँ पे दा दिख रहा है। It is not a small word, big word with many syllable. तो इसमें क्या हो जाएगा, The chocolate cake is the most delicious dessert. तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, most delicious dessert. Try doing last one. Paris is one of the dash cities in Europe. सुपरलेटिव डिग्री लगाएंगे तो सुपरलेटिव डिग्री में हम क्या लगाते हैं, मोस्ट। Paris is one of the most romantic cities in Europe. I hope degree of comparison is clear to you. Moving on to the next slide. Let's do one simple exercise. Identify the adjectives. Underline all the adjectives in the following sentence. आपको इसमें जितने भी adjectives दिख रहे हैं आपको उन्हें underline करना है. Let's try doing this exercise. The red car sped down the winding road. So what is the first adjective here? कार कैसी है? Red. Sped down the कैसी road पे? At the winding road. Right? The winding road. So this is also your adjective. Red is also your adjective. Try doing second example. The delicious pizza was devoured quickly. So we are talking about what? Which noun it is referring to? It is referring to noun pizza. और pizza कैसा था खाने में? It was delicious. So delicious is your adjective here. The shy girl. So what is the nature of the girl? Shy. So the shy girl hid behind the tall bookshelf. So we are talking about comparative degree भी है, superlative degree भी है यहाँ पे. The tall bookshelf. तो यहाँ पे behind the tallest हो जाएगा. Behind the tallest bookshelf. The old man sat on the creaky porch swing. कैसा porch swing था? Creaky. The old man, we are talking about the man who is very old, sat on the creaky porch swing. Next sentence. The sparkling ocean stretched out before them. So ocean was sparkling. So this is your adjective here. I like Italian food. So here, what is your adjective? Italian. What time is your flight? ठीक है, कोई भी चीज, what, why and which, ठीक है, कौन सा, कैसा, किसका, जो इसका हमें आंसर देते हैं, that are our interrogative adjective. So what here is your interrogative adjective. Next, that computer is not working. What is adjective here? एडजेक्टिव इज दैट. और कौन सा एडजेक्टिव है ये हमारा? डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. दैट कंप्यूटर इज नॉट वर्किंग. I bought few flowers from the garden. What is the quantity here? Few flowers. So this is your adjective. Last sentence. Karina is the oldest of the 7 siblings. So here this is your degree of superlative degree of comparison. Karina is the oldest of the कितने siblings थे? 7. So this is also your adjective. I hope the concept of adjective is clear to you. If you like this video, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video.